Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. These are series of, this is the smallest length, this is the largest diameter, this is the smallest diameter, this is largest diameter. These are serial diameters. So what is this? This is a urethral dilator. This is urethral dilator. So what is it used? It is used to, as the name says, it is used to dilate the urethra. It is used to dilate the urethra whenever there is stricture. During strictures, in strictures or before cystoscopy, this is used to dilate the urethra. Okay, thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.